Yeah, I hit some licks on you rocket bacon bullshit ass kids. I don't give a fuck. Try to diss me all you want, I can give a fuck. Bitch, I'm in the club, making it rain. Ever since I touched the weed, man, my life ain't never been the same. Fucked it up, man. Got caught up in the law shit. Never did no snitching. Yeah, you know, gotta keep it by the G code. What the fuck is up now? They was like, damn, this nigga is down. I was like, fuck him up in the end. Fuck him up and I lost half of my friends cause the music got into me. I don't really give a fuck. You can try to sing me a symphony about all this bullshit that I've been hearing from you. Try to say you wanna join in on the fucking crew. Nigga, this what I really fucking do. Try to put you on a hit list. Try to make some major hits. We could do it if you really want it. I'm a problem solver. Freestyle off the shit that I'm doing next. Got that V3DNT for a reason. Talent on my own, man. Fucking get it large, dog. I don't care. Fuck em, man. Get them there. If I'm going down, guess I'm going to jail. If they want me, come and catch me. Yeah, you know what? Billy on the high speed chase. Yeah, you know Adderall got it fucked up. Served to back onto a lame ass little bruh. That was me. Yes, I did you in. I don't give a fuck. Had me at a party and you wanna try to keep on coming. Blowing my phone up. Like, what do you really want? Like, why is you ignoring me? Bitch, you annoying me. I don't give a fuck. Bitch, I'm up here on this too. 2 cups and I'm double fucked up. They was like, how we get it up in this club? Take it to the back, hit it like that. And I never, ever, ever brought a fucking back. She was like, damn, B, why you annoying me? I said, don't worry about it, I'm on this money green. Paper chase, they was like, they sound like you a mouse in a cat race. I was getting to the money faster, made it a disaster. They was like, damn, that dude really do the shit that he say he do. I can rap, I can trap, if the rapping don't work, it could be fucking all well. I can sell some sack about my crib now. They was like, damn, pop another tag. I don't need to say, I ain't gotta lie. I can show it off. Fucking man, run from the cops, and you know these lame ass dudes can get shot. Straight up pops, like them niggas said. If you put that cash on my head, I'm getting the bread.